Hey everybody, this is Chris, your dependable host for all things Reed. Today it's time for us to join together and learn about a remarkable tool you are sure to connect with. You see, people don't often understand what the PPJ plastic pipe joiner for gasketed pipe actually does. But once they do, let's just say they love it. And I know you will too. We are joined by Isaac from Reed to shed some light on this subject. Isaac, thanks for being here today.
No problem.
Now, what exactly does the PPJ plastic pipe joiner for gasketed pipe do?
Chris, it can easily join or separate gasketed 4-inch to 16-inch PVC pipe using the PPJ and PPJ VS universal saddles. Gasketed pipe is found in underground work like irrigation systems and utility work, among other places. It also has a controlled feed to prevent over-insertion when joining the pipes together, and numerous safeguards are in place to prevent leaks. And the best part of this tool, it has an extremely easy to use design fit perfectly for a single operator.
All right, well that sounds great. So why don't we head over to the ditch and you can show us how it works.
First, you want to position the movable saddle approximately 15 inches from the end of the pipe. The movable saddle can be mounted either to the pipe in place or to the piece being added. Next, you wrap the chain around the pipe and attach a link to the hook on the unit. Tighten the screw assembly until the chain is snug against the pipe. You want to make sure the directional arrows on the adjustable ratchet pulls on both sides of the ratchet handles are pointing in the same direction. Basically, they should point in the direction of the desired pipe movement. Next, use the ratchet handle to advance the pipe until the desired level of penetration is reached.
Out in the normal circumstances, we would take our excavator with a strap, hook to the pipe, and pull it to join two pieces together. The Reed pipe joiner should be much faster and much safer for anybody. Nobody has to be under a machine or under a piece of pipe. You know, just a simple process of ratcheting the joints together. That's really all there is to it.
Now let's say the pipes have a big fight and now they want to take a long break from each other. What do we do then?
Well, they're in luck because the PPJ plastic pipe joiner can also be used to separate most gasketed pipe. Now sometimes it is extremely difficult to separate when the joints have been set for quite a while and whatever was used to lube the connection would be dry.
I see.
But if you want to try and separate again, the direction arrows on the adjustable ratchet pulls on both sides of the ratchet handle need to point in the same direction. They must be in the direction of the desired pipe movement. The PPJ plastic pipe joiner will then move the pipe in the opposite direction and pull them apart.
Wow. And all of that, again, is solo. You don't need an entire team or anyone else's help, right?
Correct.
Wow.
One person can both join and separate pipe quick and easy.
Fantastic. Hey, thanks, Isaac. So now that you know how it works, you gotta have one, right? Well, visit reedmfgco.com and get your PPJ plastic pipe joiner today. Reed Tools, connecting the world one tool at a time.